experience, but you didn't look at it. The same thing is what you're conditioning yourself to do with this price action. You know that this fair value gap is going to form. It's going to fucking form every single day between 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock without fail. It will always be there. 100% it's going to be there. You need not worry about it. It's going to fucking be there. I don't care if they're blowing shit up around the fucking world. I don't care if the fucking president gets fucking COVID-26, it doesn't fucking matter. This stuff is going to keep working. It's going to keep working every fucking week, every fucking day, and it won't fucking stop. But you're not limiting yourself to doing just these things to prove it to yourself. I have literally taken you down to 60 minutes and said, see if what I'm saying is bullshit or not. And guess what? It's there every fucking day. Every day. Every day. London, pre-New York session, New York session, afternoon session, last hour trading.